They call me Cuban Pete. I'm the king of the rumba beat. When I play the maracas, I go chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom. Yes, sir, I'm Cuban Pete.
Springfield. A lot of towns don't want to talk about it because they're so embarrassed by it. In Springfield, they're eating the dogs, the people that came in. They're eating the cats. They're eating the pet.
你别笑，要做一个专业的演员吗？
Hi. Oh, we need to cut back on the calories. You are a fluffy cat, Cosmo.
Roxy, what's that you got in your mouth? No, do not bring that in here. No, let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let that little guy go. Let him go, Roxy. Let him go. Hey, Roxy. No, how did you get him? No, you're on a leash. Let him go. You let him go. Oh my goodness.
Y acá tenemos a Don. ¡Wow! No llegó.
Ahí está, Oco.
Hey Simba, what you think about this Whopper from Burger King? It's kind of a train wreck. They forgot my cheese. I had to put my own on. Yep.
You ever had a Red Bull? Never had a Red Bull once. I really like it. I got a new. Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you. Okay.
Oh,
Para evitar alta excessiva do preço, até 1 bilhão de toneladas serão compradas.
Vai, gato! Não!
Bro, if you can't chill like this.
Okay, let's put her back.
Hi.
See, he says hello. Oh, watch out. What?
Oh shit! These freaky ass cats. Hell no, we ain't having that shit on my trampoline, bro. Yo, get the fuck out of here, bro. All y'all niggas, get the fuck out of here, bro. Y'all got me fucked up. That freak ass shit. This shit came in. Yo, get the fuck out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro.
Simba! Simba! Show me them legs!
Saia! Mijou na minha planta! На minha cara!
Это кто дерется? Такой красивый. Ой, я красивый такой. Ух, не хочет домой. Домой не хочешь, да? Домой не хочет мой лодочка.
Bus arbūs pjornas.
Yemek mi istiyorsun?